In this video, we will connect Claude AI to our MT5 on our PC by using MCP Server. If you have no experience, no matter, you will be able to install and set up MCP Server free of cost. And first of all, we have to search here this. You can pause the video and read this. And from here, the first option, exact same, click on it. And here you can read the instructions here below. What is this and how it will work? To set up, we have some prerequisites to manage at our PC. First of all, we must have Python 3.10 or higher version and MetaTrader 5 terminal. First of all, we have to click on the download here button, and on this page you simply need to click on the highest version, the Python 3.14.6. Simply click on the download button. On this page, go below here and select the Windows Download Python Install Manager, and then on this page click on this download installer MSIX. File is downloaded successfully. Simply click on this file and it will start installation process. Yes, install Python, and it may take few seconds to download all files. Add commands directly to your path. Now yes, I will simply write Y and then hit press enter. You do not have the latest Python runtime, install the current latest version of CPython, pay install default. Simply write Y and enter press. It may take few time to download and extract the files, and it will be ready. View online help. No, I don't need online help, and that's it. To check if the Python is installed successfully, we have to go to cmd command prompt. To check which version of Python is installed, we have to write py space --version and hit click. And if the message shows Python 3.14.6, this means we have successfully installed the Python. Now let's move to the next step. And now the next step is MetaTrader 5 terminal. We have to download here and install it. I already have downloaded and installed the MetaTrader 5 terminal. If you don't know how to install, you can simply watch this video on my YouTube channel where I guide step by step how you can download and install MetaTrader 5. And now the third step is MT5 trading account demo or live account credentials. We must have these three login details: the login number, the account number, the password of the account, and the server name such as MetaCodemo or any other brokers. For testing purpose, it is highly recommended to open a demo account at this time. Simply go to the description and click on the link to open a demo account. And finally, we have completed all these three steps. The next step is to install the package. Open your terminal or command prompt and run this. I will simply click here on this copy button, go to the cmd command prompt, and then just paste and hit the enter. It may take few seconds or few minutes based on your internet connection speed and the processing speed of your PC. And finally, we got the message, successfully installed MetaTrader 5, and all these details about this MCP server. After the successful installation, I will run the exact same command to recheck every package. If every package is successfully installed or not, I will write the same prompt like pip install MetaTrader MCP server and hit enter. And now it will show requirement already satisfied, and that's it. And now I will open another window, and here I will write MetaTrader -MCP server and here it shows an error, MetaTrader MCP server. The term MetaTrader is not recognized as the name of a CMD. Okay, so let's do some changes. Before the MetaTrader, I will write this. Here I will say p-m and then I will enter. If you got the same error, you can simply add the py-m before this command and then hit enter. So at the moment, it is not accepting both commands. It is not accepting this command and also not accepting this command. So what I will do here, I will simply go to the Google Gemini and ask for help. I will take a screenshot from here to here, and then I will simply copy and paste, Control V here, agree, and then help me to fix it. And now it will understand exactly what I want to do from these prompts, what are the errors and how it can be fixed. And finally here the Gemini asked me to try this and this. You must read this text before copying any command. So I will simply click on this copy button of the first command, Control V, and hit this one. It says the same problem, it's okay. If the above commands still throw no module name error, package is likely not installed in the specific Python environment you are currently using. So here I have to run this command, and then we will see the result, Control V, and hit the install. So here it shows requirements are already satisfied, but it is not detecting the module. So again, and now simply I will take a screenshot of this whole screen, and then I will send to the Gemini. Here it is. That's it. The Gemini will understand exactly what is working properly and what is not working. So it may take few seconds. And now here it says, thanks for sharing. This perfectly confirms that the package and all its dependencies are successfully installed on your system. Since the installation is verified, the issue is entirely about how Windows and Python are trying to call the program. Here are the exact ways to run it based on the file path shown in your screenshot. So first of all, I have to copy paste this one. You can read all this text and follow step by step. So finally, we have completed the installation of the MCP server. As you know, I was facing problems and I asked Gemini to help me step by step. And finally, we reach at this point. And once you reach this screen, usage, MetaTrader, MCP server, launch the MetaMCP server, options, and all these. If you are here, this means you already successfully installed the MCP server and verified it is working. And now it's time to install the Claude AI on our PC, the Claude app. For that, I will simply go to the new tab, and here, Claude AI, click on it, simply sign in, or I will go with continue with Google. You can create an account as per your requirement and continue. From here, I will accept the terms and I will not accept this promotional email and create account. I will go with use cloud for free at the moment, and then skip. That's it. Continue. Here are some settings. I will select my name. You can select any option from here. And once you reached here, this means you have successfully created an account with the Claude AI. Now we have to get app and extensions. We will download the app from this button, and from here download for Windows, and that's it. It may take few time, just few seconds to download, and then click on it. It will start downloading the full package of the Claude AI. The Claude is downloaded and installed successfully. Now let's get started. I will select my email. So here finally the Claude app is ready to use, and from here I will simply go to my account. It's a free account, and then go to the settings. From the settings, go to developer option here, and here we need to connect our MCP server, which we already have created. So from here I will click on edit config, and I will right click on it and open with notepad. Always it will open this file. Once you reach here, we simply need to go back to the GitHub page, and from here we have to open the file and add this configuration, Claude desktop config.json. This file, open the file and add this configuration. And here it says, if your MT5 terminal is installed in a non-standard location, add the path argument. So it is better to go with this option. Simply copy this one and replace your MT5 login, MT5 password, and MT5 server with your actual credentials. I will go here. I will right click, Control A, remove everything, Control V, paste it, and then Control S, save it, or you can save from file and save, and that's it. Here in the cloud, I have to close this one, close the cloud, and then open the cloud app, go to my account, settings, developer, and here again shows the same. Close this one. Here from the tray icon, here is the icon, right click on it and quit. Now the cloud will be closed permanently and properly. Again, click on the cloud icon I just added here, and then go to account, settings, and developer, and that's it. Here now we see MetaTrader configuration, but it's failed. Not a problem. Once we add the credentials, it will be successful. And here it says your login, your MT5 login, password, and the server, these are the wrong parameters. That's why it just failed. And once we put the right parameters, it will start working. So I already have created an account, and again we have to go to the same file, the Claude desktop config file, and here your MT5 login, your MT5 password, and your MT5 server. We just need to replace these things. And here are my trading account. I will simply select this $5,000, and here is my MT5 login. The login is this one. I will Control C, copy it, and your MT5 login. Control V. In the password, I will go here, the investor password. I am using this investor password at the moment. Control C, and then here is your MT5 password. Control V, and the server. From the server, the Start Trader Financial Live 3. Control C, I will go here, and your MT5 trading server. Control V, and that's it. I will simply click file and save, and then I can close these files. And now again I have to restart this app. Close this one, from tray icon, right click, quit, and then restart it again. Here go to settings, and from the developer, now it is running successfully. You have successfully installed everything and complete the setup. Close this one, and I will say here, what is the balance? So it will detect the balance from my MT5 and show us here. Let's see a bank account balance. Oh, no. We just missed one important thing. We put everything correctly in the setting, and here in the developer, edit config, double click on it. We just successfully add these details here, but we not log into the same account. We have to log into the same MT5 account in the MetaTrader 5. So let's log into MetaTrader 5 with the same account. Now I just log into the same account in MT5. Let's try again. Here I will close this one, close everything, go to tray icon, right click, quit, and then restart the cloud app. And now here, what is the balance? Okay, so it is just asking permission. I will select always, allow, enter, yes. Okay, great. Your MT5 account balance is this one, and it's a USC. Yes, exactly, this is the thing. Here the same 546,770 USC. And now finally let's analyze this account. I will write a prompt to analyze the history and then show the history in proper and professional visuals. So before writing this prompt, I have to go to the history step, select and all history. This way we'll load all history in the MT5 terminal, so the cloud will be able to read and manage it as per our prompt. And from here I will select sonnet effort equals high and model. It's okay because it's a free variant. I will simply click next. Now let's see if it will be able to fetch our all history and then create visuals, graphs, charts, or anything. Let's see what it does. It asking for the Claude wants to use get deals from MetaTrader. Yes, always allow. And I think so there are a lot of thousands of deals, so continue repeating in this loop. So I will stop it and I will say do analysis of lost 500 deals only. I hope so it will be under 1 MB of the limit by this Claude app. Again it just hit the limitation. I will again stop it and here I will say deals. So this time only 50 deals. I hope so it will be under 1 MB of the memory limit. If you want to do proper in-depth work, you have to purchase the paid subscription of the cloud. And now here is just successfully extracted recent trades and prepared data visualization analysis. Yes, everything looks great till now, and let's see how it present. Finally, it just completed the analysis, and here it presented the total net profit $5.91, the win rate, the profit factor, max drawdown, the equity curve of the last 50 trades, everything fantastic. And the trading is by PT Scalper Pro on the gold. And by this way, if you have a paid version of the Claude app, you will have no limits on the memory or anything. You can analyze everything in proper depth. I hope you understand exactly how you can set up the MCP server for the connection of Claude app with the MetaTrader 5. And I hope you successfully follow all these steps. Still, if you have faced any problem, let me know in the comment section and I will do my best to help you out. For now, that's it. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.